What's going on YouTube? Ty back with another quick video. In today's video, I'm talking about my new online schedule system type of ordeal. So I'm learning more and more as I write content, shoot videos, have my 1-year-old son, how to balance between work, family, business, doing stuff around the home, cutting grass, do all that stuff. So I was thinking that these days we will need a system. And I'm learning this week that I need a system in place, because before I was writing content and doing a blog post every other day, and for our videos, I don't have a set schedule. I just post them when I can. But now it's come to my understanding that I need a system. And what do you mean a system? I need a posting frequency that I can do weekly, and which you should do also if you have a family and kids and you're working all the time. So you gotta pick a frequency where to post. And my blog was straight. My blog had a good posting frequency, but the problem was when you do a blog post every other day, so that's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So in 1 week you get 3 posts, and the next week you get 4 posts, which I was cool with it. But the problem was it was hard for me to publicize that content. Publicize doesn't mean to put them on social media, put them on Pinterest, Medium, Wix, Facebook. It's hard for me to do that because I have a post going out on Saturday, so I have to do it twice. I have to either wait until Sunday to post it, or post the post that came out before Saturday, publicize that, and then get on again and publicize the content on Saturday. So I had to get, that's not time efficient, because some Saturdays I won't get online, and some Sundays I don't get online either. So that is not very time efficient to do the same thing over again. And same with YouTube videos. I was doing a video a day, but then I didn't have time to post no more. I had cut videos. I had shot the video, but I had time to post them. So I decided to come up with a system. I come up with a system based on my 4-hour work week, based on what my family do on weekends, based on all that stuff. Here's my new system, and you could use my system you like or create your own. But now I do a video I do a YouTube video Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so that's 3 videos a week. So what I do is in a couple of days I'll shoot 10 or 11 videos. That's what 3, 6, 9. That's 3 weeks worth of content. I go ahead at one time, timestamp all those to go out, so it's consistent videos. And that's easy for me because I don't have to sit there and just wait, or I wasn't on a schedule. So now I do YouTube videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, especially when the holidays come around and we'll be out of town. I could go ahead and shoot 6, 7 videos to go out the next 2 weeks, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I can relax. As far as my blog, the same thing. I'm gonna do a new blog post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so I'll write the content beforehand, timestamp those out, and what I do on the weekends, on Saturday or Sunday. If I'm busy on Saturday, I do it Sunday. If I'm busy on Sunday, I do it Sunday night or Saturday night. But I have 2 days. I publicize my blog content. I put it on Pinterest, Medium, Wix.com, Quora, answer questions, I answer Quora questions with those. I'll do Reddit. I'll publicize all 3 posts that was posted Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I could do a Friday night. If I don't do Friday night, I could do Saturday, or I could do Sunday. And it takes me about 30 minutes to do every post. So you talk about an hour and a half, 2 hours tops to get that publicizing done for that week I'm in. So does that leave a lot of breathing room? So that's the case. If I want to do something around the house, or cut the grass, or do something, I could do that. If I plan to do that Saturday, well, shoot, I could do my publicizing Friday night for all 3 of my blog posts, and I'm good. It take me 2 hours to do it, to knock it out, and I'm good. 7 YouTube videos if I want to, and after that, I'm good. I'm good to go. So I don't have to worry about none of that stuff. I'm great. I'm good to go. You feel what I'm saying? So that's my new. And then with my email marketing, the same thing. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, because I can sit down one time and write 3 emails like that, and don't waste a whole lot of time versus doing it, not really doing it like I'm supposed to. So that's my new online schedule. I'm not doing a video a day. My video be coming out Monday, Wednesday, Friday every week. I have enough videos to last me the next 2 months. I had like 20 videos. I had 20 to 25 videos I haven't posted yet. I haven't posted yet because I had time to do it. So this is a more efficient way of doing it. I probably release videos 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but I'll do 3 videos a week. And what's gonna happen is we get into the fall and winter season. That way, if we go out of town for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or holidays, or going to family function places, all my content is timestamped out. Also, with this new system, since I'm already my blog is 2 months ahead and my YouTube channel is 2 months ahead, with content already posted out automatically, I could just dive into something else. I could do real estate. I could study something else. I could start another business if I wanted to, because my work is already done for 2 months. I could take a month off from doing videos and blog posts if I want to. I could take a whole month off and study something else. You understand what I'm saying? So that leaves me with more time. That leaves me a whole lot more time. And then within that month, I could shoot maybe 3 or 4 videos here and there, just put in my queue. And while I get my publicizing, weekend, or the Saturday, I post my blog posts during the week, I go ahead and timestamp the videos out as well for the future. So this new system I got, it's gonna work for me because I have more time with my family. I'm not constantly trying to create content, worried about this, that, and third. I'm good to go. And if I want to, I could hire a writer, write 3 articles for me, and that take care of a week. So I'm writing content and they're writing content for my site, and that's leave me with more time to spend with my family. So take a page of my book. If you don't have a set system, with my system, you gotta know your family and what you do on the weekend. I know mainly Saturday or Sunday we'll either stay at home. We might do something on Saturday. We'll do them really. I bowl on Fridays now, so I bowl my bowling league from 6:30 to 9:30. So really, we will do nothing on Friday night. Friday night is my free night, and I drive an Uber. So if I'm driving Uber that night, I can publicize my blog content, get that out of the way for the week, and if I do video, and I do videos periodically during the week anyway. So if I do videos, this is my 3rd video of the day. So I take this 3rd video and timestamp out Monday, Wednesday, Thursday for the following week where I'm at, and then that'd be done. So it's more efficient way. That way Friday night, if I don't get time to do Friday night, I could do it Saturday. And Saturdays, my family used to either go out somewhere, or and get too cold, or we'll go out shopping or do something around the house. I'll cut the grass that morning. So like, I could do stuff like that and not have to worry about creating content, working the blog, and other stuff. My rotogrip.org blog, I'm gonna do 1 post a week. That's my secondary blog. I don't really put a lot of content on that site, but I'm gonna start putting some content. But I'm gonna do probably 1 post a week or 2 posts a month. I'm focused on xking.com right now, but that's my system right now in place. So you gotta come up with a system based on what you do weekly, monthly, whatever, on the weekends. What you typically do on the weekends. If you have something coming up, get a schedule. If you can't do 3, just do 2 posts a week. Do 2 posts a week, 2 videos a week, and you're good to go. And that's how I've been doing it lately. If you can't do 3, do 2. The good thing about blogging and YouTube, that let's say you do 2 posts a week, 2, 4, 6, 8 posts for a month. If you sit down and write 8 posts in 4 to 5 days, which don't take that long, if you do a post a day or 2 posts a day, you can do it in a week. You're good for the whole month. So you can take a break. You could do something else. You could do real estate or build on a side hustle or whatever. So you could use my schedule if you want to. This schedule works for me and my family, but create you a schedule and stick with it. Create your schedule, get the stuff going, content going, flowing out, and start a second hustle. I want to do real estate and start my gaming site, my gaming YouTube channel as well. With that content already pushed out for 2 months, and now I can study real estate. I can do my gaming channel, learn how to edit videos. I have time to do it now. But let me know in the bottom of the video what schedule that works for you. Do you like my schedule? Do you have a better schedule? You have any questions about my schedule? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to answer your questions. My name is Ty with SKing.com. Thanks for watching.